In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple of features of the blur tool. So this one, it does a couple of things: blur, sharpen, or smudge. When we click on the tool, we get another little mini menu up here. I'm going to show you blur first. We can adjust our brush size. I'm going to go for a slightly smaller one. We can also look at our strength. So I'm going to show you guys about 50% right off the bat. And I'm just going to click on the petals here, and you can see how that's blurring those just a little bit. So you can just simply click something, or you can drag and blur the edges as well. So that's just at 50%. So if I go all the way up to 100, it's going to blur it a lot more. So this one's 50%, that's 100%. Now I can do the same thing to sharpen. So let's say I have something that's a little bit blurry and I want to sharpen it. So I'm going over where I had just blurred stuff, and it's sharpening the pixels. Now it's making it look really pixelated. It's not really probably how I would go about undoing a blur that I just did, but that shows you that. And then the smudge tool is similar. It's just going to smudge. You drag and drop, and it kind of copies. If you noticed, just then when I clicked, it kind of takes a little mini picture of the pixels that are in my brush, and then it's going to drag those all around. So I can effectively change whatever's there and smudge that right over. Looks a little bit like a slinky or something. So that's the blur, sharpen, smudge tool in a nutshell. Have fun playing with that one.